Did you know one simple kitchen recipe can give you glowing skin, strong, healthy, and shining hair at the same time? Today, I'm sharing my 2-in-1 banana egg yolk mask, which work as both a face mask and hair treatment. This save your time, save your money, and the results are amazing. Please stay tuned and watch to the end. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for me. Thank you very much for your support. Let's dive into the video. Okay guys, now I'm putting my banana into it. So if you have banana and it's well like this, don't say the banana is spoiled and throw away. Just use it to make something for yourself. You can use it to make hair mask, you can use it to make face mask. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end, because I'm going to do 2-in-1 face mask at the same time hair treatment with these ingredients. So you need to watch to the end and see how this thing is working, or how, if you are going to apply it or do it, you may know how you are going to start and how you can end it in. So guys, after put my egg yolk inside, the next thing is I took my hand blender to start blending it. Well, maybe you can ask me, if you don't have hand blender, what are the authentic that you can use to make this mask? Well, if you have mortar, that small mortar, put inside there and pound. As for us in Africa, we grown up without knowing blender. We used to pound things in our hands, or we put inside the stone, the big stone like that. I remember in the back at home, my mom, they used to have that big stone. You put it inside the stone and use different stone also to start doing it. I don't know how I'm going to. Please, if you also experience that thing, please let me know in the comments below. What's the exact name? There were some stone, is the big like flats, they will put it down and bring another big stone also to use. You use your hand, especially when you are going to make pepper with onion and this thing ginger, or you are going to make tomatoes, those things we used to do it in that stone. So just use that thing and make it. So guys, after that also I added next coffee inside. Okay, that one also is very important, because this treatment, for you to do it both face and hair mask or hair treatment, you need these things. So you can use any coffee by your choice, but so far that is having its contain coffee, just add inside. So after blend everything, you have to strain it. Make sure you strain it, okay, because if you don't strain it, they may have some particles inside. So guys, what I'm going to do, let's check and see the benefit of banana. Okay, banana is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, which brighten the skin and reducing dryness, and also leaving your skin super soft when you are using banana face mask, or even your hair also will come to that point also. So it's also doing what banana also help to freeze and adding natural shine to your hair, and your skin also will be started smooth. You will get some smooth face that you are looking for, or you are dreaming for. You will get it when you are using this thing consistency. So after straining, the next ingredient that I added is honey. I add 1 tablespoon of honey and I'm start to mix it well. So any ingredient that you put inside, you have to do, or you have to mix it very well. So when you check about the egg yolk, so before you apply it to your face, now I'm going to apply it to my face. Always make sure to wash your face with water. While you are applying to your face, be massaging your face small. Be gentle with your face and apply it to your face. So now let's check and see egg yolk. Egg yolk is packed with protein and healthy fats. It also nourishing and tightening the skin. While for hair, it's stimulating and reducing hair breaking if you are using it, or if you are adding it to your hair treatment. While coffee also is nourishing your skin, removing dead skin from your, when they say dead skin, bad skin that you have, if you are using coffee, it's something that is going to do what? Bright it, or help you to remove those things. It's also boosting circulation and reducing put lines from you. So using these things in your face or in your hair mask is a lot of benefit that we are getting from it, and it's something that everyone, if you are trying to do it, make sure you stay tuned with what you are doing, because like everything, consistency is the key. Don't use it once and you are expecting it to work as a magic for you. So when you check about honey, guys, sorry, what I'm doing and checking my little daughter, my princess, if she around, I have to put my eyes on her, otherwise she can do some things that maybe I may finish and I start doing a different work in the house. Anyway, so when you check about the honey also is doing what is locking the moisture to your skin and hydrating your skin, smoothing your skin, and also adding shining and soften your hair also when you are using honey. So guys, after I apply it, I used was um egg yolk and banana plus my coffee. So after that one, I used to apply my face. After finish, what now I'm adding is I added glycerin, okay, and I added my carrot oil, which I infused with coconut oil. So I added 1 tablespoon, right? So I added 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to use it as a hair mask for my daughter. Before you apply any hair mask or any hair treatment to yourself or anything that you are going to use, as you guys can see, when I was about to apply my face mask, what I do, I wash my face before apply the face mask. So anything that you are going to do, try to use a water. I'm not saying you should make it too much watering, because the thing that you are going to use into your hair is already having contained some a little liquid, right? So you don't need to put the water too much, but just make it small to hydrate the hair small, because when the hair is dry too much like that, try to hydrate it small before apply your hair mask or your treatment to your hair or to your face. Don't put it in the dry face or dry hair. So that is what I did for my daughter. Okay guys, so when you check, the finally that coconut and carrot oil is also doing what is that I infuse it. So it's also amazing for growing scalp, healthy, and doing what, nourishing your hair. So using it into your hair is a lot of benefit, whether you are adding it to your treatments or you are using it to do hot oil treatment or you are just using it as a normal massaging oil. You are going to get nourishing scalp, healthy scalp, and the things that you are looking for, you are going to benefit from it, because these things, carrot also, if you check, you can see carrot is having a lot of vitamins. Please, before we continue, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you people for day one up to now. You people are always staying here with me. I really appreciate you all. So now you can apply this hair mask for yourself. You can use it for yourself. You can use it for your children. It's healthy. There is nothing inside. There's not any chemical something inside. What I'm doing here, I'm doing pure natural things that I'm using to grow my hair and at the same time growing my daughter hair. So guys, you know what, this hair mask is work like is just conditioning your hair naturally. Because why am I saying that? The egg yolk is straightening hair, and banana smoothing, freezing, and adding natural shining to your hair, while carrot infusing oil with coconut also promoting healthy hair growth, leaving the hair soft and shining. Okay, so for you to apply this hair mask, try to keep it in your hair at least 20 to 30 minutes is okay. Okay, 20 to 30 minutes. You can go and rinse it, wash it with water. Because of the coffee, you can wash it with your shampoo. If you have conditioner, deep conditioner, you use the deep conditioner. But if you feel like, okay, fine, you have the cleanser deep conditioner, or the deep conditioner is okay for you, you can even leave the shampoo, while you are going to use the shampoo, you can leave it and use the deep treatment conditioner to wash it. But I will tell you that you should use the conditioner. Why am I saying you should use? Because of the egg, the smell of the egg. So it's good when you use the shampoo to shampoo your hair first before add your conditioner or deep conditioner into your hair before you rinse it and come out. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please try to subscribe. I'm telling Princess to say bye bye. She was sometimes she's doing like she's feeling shy, sometimes she's just doing shakala shakala. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate you people. Please, you see my face, guys. After that, also the remaining one, I'm also use it and put in my hair. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.